Root canal treatments are one of the most challenging tasks for a dentist. They are difficult, inefficient, and don't always succeed. They need to conform to complex irregular morphologies, to clean and disinfect without packing debris or extruding it, and the many safety risks along the way, from dentinal cracks to file breakage. Now that's a challenge. Don't you want to enjoy endo? Meet SAF Infinitum, the revolutionary endodontic system. Combining shaping, irrigation, and agitation all with one instrument. The self-adjusting file consists of a mesh of compressible, flexible nickel titanium that adapts to any root canal, oval, round, even C-shaped. The abrasive surface of the SAF scrubs the root canal walls in quick vertical vibrations, preserving sound dentin, gradually expanding the canal according to its natural morphology. Simultaneous disinfecting irrigation is delivered into the hollow file, while the vibrations provide sonic agitation to achieve superior cleaning and disinfection, as already supported by hundreds of research articles. The revolutionary single-use handpiece is compatible with most ISO-type micromotors, providing supreme infection control while obviating the need for tedious maintenance procedures. The handpiece delivers the irrigant directly into the file, while suctioning excessive fluid, sending it into a designated pump in the main control unit. A transmitter at the base of the handpiece generates its own power from the micromotor and activates the control unit by Bluetooth, making operation as simple as possible. The main unit, operated by rechargeable batteries, provides full control of the irrigation and suction pumps by touchscreen control. An extensive instructional system serves as your private instructor to SAF Infinitum. SAF Infinitum provides your various needs for a perfect endo experience, from glide path instruments to paper points, gutter percher, and a bioceramic sealer. An easy self-maintenance mechanism in the main unit helps you keep the device clean and lets you focus on one thing: providing your patients with the best endodontic treatment there is. SAF Infinitum. Enjoy endo!